こんにちは。Welcome to Campanas to Japanese. I'm May. In this video, I'm gonna talk about Dakuten and Handakuten. Campanas to Japanese. Take a look at this chart. All of these characters are what I call basic 46 characters. All the characters in these columns represent unvoiced sounds. For example, the K sound is a voiceless consonant. Then, what's missing? The voiced version of these sounds, right? To represent the voiced version of these sounds, we add dakuten, two small dashes to these characters. Then, we get these 20 additional characters. Strictly speaking, the B sound is the voiced version of the P sound though, not the H sound. If you've already learned the basic 46 characters, then it's super easy to memorize the additional characters. Let's practice writing ga, which is the voiced version of ka. It's easy. First, you just write ka as you normally do. Then you add dakuten on the upper right hand corner, just like this. Same thing with za, da, and ba. Still, something's missing. Yes, sir. What's missing is the P sound. To represent the P sound, we add Handakuten, which is a small circle to these 5 characters. Then we get pa, pi, pu, pe, po. Let's practice writing pa. It's easy too. You just write ha like you normally do. Then you add Handakuten on the upper right hand corner. To practice writing Hiragana characters, you can download Hiragana worksheets like this on my Patreon page for free. Go to my Patreon page, the link in the description. Alright, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave me a comment. And if you like this video, please make sure to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. じゃあねー。